The Curl Secret Optimum. Easily create flawless, effortless curls every time. The smart styler that takes the guesswork out of creating perfect curls. Hair goes in, curls come out. It's that simple. This latest innovation in automatic curling is lighter weight and more compact for greater control. With intuitive curl control, the 3 automatic preset curl settings create easy, fast and fabulous curls in no time. Select from natural, sophisticated or romantic to suit your style. Or adjust between the 6 heat settings and the 3 heat times for endless curl results. Ionic conditioning gives smooth, frizz-free curls. And the ceramic curl chamber locks in shine. Create 3 sections. Turn on the Curl Secret Optimum and select the desired setting. Once the temperature stops flashing, you're ready to go. Take smaller sections about the size of the opening. Hold the open side of the chamber towards the head and place the section through the chamber. Close the handle and allow the hair to be drawn into the chamber. Listen for the slow beeps as your hair heats, and when you hear the fast beeps, open the handle to release your curls. Repeat on all hair sections. Once hair is cooled, gently run fingers through your hair to soften. And that's how you create smooth, flawless curls you'll love.